Basic pero effective. Code of Ethics number 1. As a security agent, my fundamental duty is to serve the interests or mission of my agency in compliance with the contract entered into with the clients or customer or agency I am supposed to serve. Ibig sabihin nito, bilang isang security agent, ang ating pangunahing tungkulin ay pangalagaan ang kapakanan ng ating ahensyang kinabibilangan at kliyenteng pinagkatiwala sa atin upang ating paglingkuran.